So just a pair of pliers. They say don't use pliers. Well, unless you're planning on cutting it with your teeth or something else. I don't know how else you're going to cut it. Scissors maybe, but anyway, give that a bit of a roll just to flatten it out again. Make it nice and round. And once again, get your X-Acto knife and cut 1 to 2 mil off it. And just give it a roll. Just give it a roll as you do it. As I mentioned before, be careful not to cut through the layer. So that's all I've cut off. There's a bit there, I don't know. You can see that, but that's it there. It's just, yeah, a few mil. So again, just spread that down. So the grub screw, I believe, is designed to not only hold the cable in, obviously, but to create that sort of ground between this outer layer and the sleeve. I'm just going to give that inside wire there a bit of a trim with these. Okay, once again. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. That's the way I've been doing it, and it works. Works really well. So once again, just as you're pushing it in, just give it a bit of a twist, and that's in there nicely. Okay, moment of truth. Let's bring the multimeter into frame and test these. So first I'll test that, make sure there's no connection there. Okay, so tip and sleeve on that are pretty good. Tip and tip are connecting, which is good. Sleeve and sleeve are connecting. Tip and sleeve, there is no connection. Tip and sleeve there is no connection. So this cable is good to go. Beautiful. Alright. Just put your grub screws in and you're all good to go. Hopefully this helps you guys out. It certainly took me a little bit of time to, I guess, perfect a way to do it, but yeah, good luck, happy building, and I might show you my pedal board once it's done. Righto.